Today I'm going to show you how to make a nostalgic friendship bracelet. This particular pattern is called the Chinese ladder or Chinese staircase. The first step is to pick out 5 complementary colors of embroidery floss for your bracelet. Cut the 5 strands to 30 inches in length. If the bracelet's for a child, you could make it a little bit shorter. Tie a knot at the end and it's time to get started. Grab your first color and make a 4. So as you can see, I'm taking that first color of thread, placing it on top of all of the other colors to make the 4, and then I pull the tail through the hole and pull it tight, cinching it right up to the top. You're then going to continue with that exact same pattern using the same color, taking the time to cinch it up after each knot. Count your knots as you go so that when you're ready to switch colors, you can do the same number with the next color and make your sections look even. So I'll show you a few more slowly here before I speed up the video. When you're ready to switch colors, it's exactly the same process. Just make another 4 and continue pulling the tail through the hole that the 4 creates. Continue with that pattern, rotating through all your 5 colors until you have a length that you're happy with. Then you can tie a knot, take it off, and trim the tail.